And these are two spatula grips. You just simply press them down, and as you can see, the little prongs come down onto the spatula itself. So if you happen to be picking up an egg, the yolk will be in here, and in theory you can turn it over and flip it. I'll give that a go and see what happens. I might even try maybe making some small pancakes and see if I can lift and turn them with this. It'll be interesting to have a go at it. So let's see how we go at flipping the egg. That was pretty easy. Perfect. Let's see if we can get him back up again. Yeah, I'm not very good at it. So let's have a bit of a go at flipping. And as you can see, works perfect.